Fourier cosine and sine transforms. In this Fourier cosine sine transform, maximum will use this formula frequently. See, e power ax cos bx dx, e power ax, what is in the sum that will start at the back opposite sign. Similarly, sine start with sine and their back is cos. In sine, a common value is there. These two are the important formulae, integration formulae we are using in Fourier cosine and sine transforms. Let us do sums in Fourier sine and cosine transforms. Find the cosine transform of f of x equal to e power minus ax and reduce that and show that 2a by pi 0 to infinity cos alpha x divided by a square plus alpha square d alpha equal to e power minus ax. We know already the set of formulae f of x equal to, in cosine transform, e power of root of 2 by pi 0 to infinity g omega cos omega x d omega. Second set we are using in the from the initial page, root of 2 by pi 0 to infinity f of x cos omega x dx. See, f of x here, g omega is there. G omega is a Fourier transform. Here, cosine, Fourier cosine transform. F of x is given e power minus s, we are putting here. Therefore, root of 2 by pi 0 to infinity f of x is e power minus ax cos omega x dx. We are using the formula e power ax cos bx dx equal to e power ax a cos bx plus b sin bx by a square plus b square. We will use this formula for this step. Root of 2 by pi e power minus ax, instead of a here minus a cos omega, instead of b here omega comes, plus omega sin omega x by minus a square plus omega square. Limit is 0 to infinity. Limit is 0 to infinity. root of 2 by pi, a flower bracket, give upper limit e power minus infinity is 0. Whatever the bracket may be, e power minus infinity is 0. Minus lower limit 0. E power 0, cos 0 1 minus a sin 0 0 by a square plus omega upper limit minus lower limit. E power minus infinity always 0. 0 to something complete 0. Therefore, root of 2 by pi 0 minus plus plus a by a square plus omega square. Therefore, g omega equal to root of 2 by pi a by a square plus omega square is the Fourier cosine transform. Again, f of x equal to root of 2 by pi 0 to infinity g omega cos omega x d omega first line, which is inverse cosine Fourier transform. G omega is already known. You are putting in this root of 2 by pi 0 to infinity. What is g omega? Root of 2 by pi a by a square plus omega square cos omega x d omega. See, root 2 by pi, root goes. A also coming out, A is a constant, we are integrating this omega only. By 0 to infinity cos omega x by a square plus omega square d omega, which is f of x. F of x is e power minus ax equal to 2a by pi 0 to infinity. That is, instead of omega, alpha dummy changing the dummy variable. Changing the dummy variable. Instead of omega, alpha. Therefore, cos alpha x divided by a square plus alpha square d alpha. Hence result. Hence proved. Sum number, next sum. Find the Fourier sine transform of f of x equal to e power minus ax, and show that and show that 2 by pi 0 to infinity alpha sin alpha x by a square plus alpha square d alpha equal to e power minus ax. We know already set of formulae root of 2 by pi 0 to infinity g omega sine omega x d omega, where g omega is the sine transform here, root of 2 by pi 0 to infinity f of x sine omega x dx. Let us put f of x as e power minus ax, root of 2 by pi 0 to infinity e power minus ax sine omega x dx. We are going to use the formula integration of e power ax sine bx dx equal to e power ax a sin ax minus a sin bx minus b cos bx divided by a square plus b square is the formula we are going to apply. Applying root of 2 by pi e power minus ax minus a sin omega x, instead of b omega here, minus omega cos omega x by minus a square plus omega square. Limit is 0 to infinity. Equal to root of 2 by pi, give upper limit e power minus infinity, completely 0, minus lower limit e power 0, sin 0 0, cos 0 1, divided by a square plus omega square, e power 0 1, e power minus infinity is 0, root of 2 by pi 0, e power 0 1 minus minus plus plus omega by a square plus omega square equal to root of 2 by pi omega by a square plus omega square g omega. Is the Fourier sine transform. Is the Fourier sine transform. Again, f of x equal to root of 2 by pi 0 to infinity g omega sin omega x d omega. Instead of g omega, we are writing into the integral root of 2 by pi 0 to infinity root of 2 by pi omega a square plus omega square sin omega x d omega. We know root just root 2 by pi 0 to infinity omega sin omega x by a square plus omega square d omega, which is f of x e power minus ax, f of e power minus ax. This is the result. In result, omega d omega is there. Therefore, we give dummy changing for this. Instead of omega, we will give alpha. Therefore, e power minus ax equal to 2 by pi 0 to infinity alpha sin alpha x by a square plus alpha square d alpha by dummy changing. By dummy changing. Hence a result. Again, find the Fourier sine transform of f of x equal to x 0 less than x less than 1 equal to 2 minus x 1 less than x less than 2 equal to 0 when x greater than 2. Let us write the formula. F of x equal to root of 2 by pi 0 to infinity g omega sin omega x d omega. G omega is Fourier sine transform. Root of 2 by pi 0 to infinity f of x sin omega x dx. Let us separate it to 3. Equal to root of 2 by pi. Let us write a line 0, 1, 2, infinity. 0 to infinity, 0 to infinity. First 0 to 1 f of x sin omega x dx. Next 1 to 2 f of x sin omega x dx plus 2 to infinity f of x sin omega x dx. Equal to root of 2 by pi 0 to 1, 0 to 1 is f of x is x sin omega x dx plus 1 to 2 f of x is 2 minus x sine omega x dx plus 2 to infinity function is 0. Equal to root of 2 by pi bracket 2 sets of Bernoulli's integral. uv minus u dash v1 plus, for this integral, uv minus u dash v1. 2 sets of Bernoulli's integral. For the first integral, u equal to x, u dash equal to 1, v equal to, we are taking integrating sin omega s minus cos omega x by omega. We will need second integrating, integration of cos x is plus sin x. Already negative is there, minus sin omega x by 1 more omega square. For first integral, let us take the second integral. U equal to 2 minus x. U dash equal to differentiation of minus 1. V equal to previous same. Minus cos omega x by omega minus sin omega x by 1 more omega square. We are applying 2 sets in this Bernoulli's integral. This is called Bernoulli's integral. Flower bracket. Here tan is positive, u is positive, v is negative, therefore negative, minus x cos omega x by omega. Next, tan is negative, u dash is positive, v1 is negative, therefore already negative is there, plus sin omega x divided by omega square, limit is 0 to 1, plus, take the second integral, this, u is positive, v is negative, tan is positive, therefore minus 2 minus x cos omega x by omega, tan is negative, there are 3 negatives, therefore negative of sin omega x divided by omega square, limit is 1 to 2, integrated. Giving upper limit for this integral, root of 2 by pi, wherever x comes, x is there, you give upper limit 1 minus 1 cos omega by omega plus sin omega by omega square minus lower limit 0 cos 0 over, but here x is there, therefore 0 minus 0 sin 0 is 0, limit applied for this first integral. Let us put a simple bracket, it may confuse us. Close the bracket, plus upper limit for the second integral, apply 2 minus 2, 0, therefore 0, minus sin x is 2, therefore 2 omega by omega square minus lower limit just you put negative, what is 0, you put negative 1, lower limit is 1, 2 minus 1, 1 minus 2 minus 1 cos omega by omega. See, lower limit is 1, only cos omega. Here 1 minus sin omega by omega square. We are removing the bracket, integrated by using Bernoulli's integral. Equal to root of 2 by pi minus cos omega by omega plus sin omega by omega square minus sin 2 omega by omega square. 2 minus 1, 1. Therefore, minus plus plus cos omega by omega minus plus plus sin omega by omega square. These two get cancelled, equal to root of 2 by pi sin omega by omega square 2 times of sin omega by omega square minus sin 2 omega by omega square. Root of 2 by pi omega square common 2 sin omega minus sin 2 omega. Equal to root of 2 by pi 2 sin omega. Sin 2 omega is 2 sin omega cos omega by omega square. Sin 2 theta is 2 sin theta cos theta. Sin theta is 2 sin theta cos theta. The formula applied here. We are taking commonly 2 sin omega outside. 2 root of 2 by pi sin omega of 2 minus cos omega by omega square. Omega square. G omega is the Fourier 1 minus 2 to commonly taken 1 minus Fourier sin transform. Fourier sin transform is the answer.